Hi, this is a brief tutorial on how to share and embed a Prezi in your Blackboard. I'm not going to show you how to make a Prezi itself, since Prezi has its own tutorials, which would be far better than mine, but I am going to show you how to use this so you can include it in your own activities and enhance your UF 100 experience. As we've discussed in class and in plenary, concept mapping is a way for you to connect ideas with other ideas. So maybe when you're engaging with ideas in the text, you can bring those different thoughts together, or when you're connecting multiple thoughts together. You can concept map on an individual basis to help you understand material. You can even concept map as a group to bring ideas together. Concept mapping or mind mapping is a great way to bring mini minds together. These concept maps are not always clean. They can be quite messy. Mine are very messy, but Prezi is one of those tools that helps you clean up those ideas and organize those ideas in a nice way. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is show you how to share a Prezi, or get the link, okay? So once you've made your Prezi and you're in your Prezi homepage, you can select a Prezi that you want to share. This one isn't UF 100 related, but that's okay. You'll click the share button. You will get a copy of the link. And then, for example, for week 2, you had an assignment where you needed to concept map or outline the main ideas from Mano. So maybe you have a concept map of Mano, you did it in Prezi. Simply come in here to your assignment. And copy paste the link directly. It isn't a hyperlink. Your instructor will need to copy paste it back into the browser to view it, but that is one way you can submit your Prezi. You'll then hit submit. I'm not going to hit submit here, but then that's one way to share your Prezi with somebody else. Okay, so another option you have with Prezi is embedding it. And when you embed a Prezi, that makes the Prezi itself viewable on the screen. You don't need to follow a new link in order to view the Prezi. The Prezi is right there. Okay, so I'll show you how to do it in your discussion board, since that's one of the many ways you can embed a Prezi. And I'll just take this forum. And I'll create a new thread. Of course, I will label my thread something that explains what I'll be writing about in the prompt. Okay. And then whatever I write down here would, of course, follow that prompt. Okay. So now you can go back into your Prezi. And to embed, you need to click on the Prezi itself as if you were going to view it without editing it. And you'll notice a little embed button right here at the bottom. So you'll take that. You can decide whether to let viewers pan and zoom freely. I typically constrain the view to back and forward steps because that becomes far less confusing. Copy the embed code. Then you'll want to find the HTML button in this case, your Blackboard thread. Okay, so you'll click on that. If you put it directly into the discussion board comment area, it won't work. Okay, so just paste it down here. The next important thing to know is to uncheck the word wrap box. If you don't uncheck it, again, your Prezi video, your Prezi presentation will not show. Okay, and then you'll select update. Okay, you can see that I have a little box there. That means something got embedded, which is fantastic. Click submit. And I go back into my thread. I can then see my wonderful little Prezi that's loading right now. And that is how you share and embed Prezis in Blackboard.